The next thing that we are going to do to synchronize our network is we are going to update our mine endpoint. And we are also going to add a new endpoint called receive new block. So what we are going to do is we are going to change our mine endpoint so that whenever a new block is created by a node, that new block is broadcast to all the other nodes in our network. So every node on our network is aware that a new block was created, and all of the nodes hosting our blockchain stay synchronized. So the first step in this process will be any time that we want to mine a new block, we are going to choose a node that will mine it. So for example, let's say that we want our first node that's hosted on port 3001 to mine a new block for our blockchain. Our first step would be to hit the mine endpoint on the selected node. When we hit the mine endpoint, we will create a new block by doing a proof of work. And once that new block is created, we are going to broadcast that new block to all the other nodes in our network. We are going to broadcast this new block to the receive new block endpoint on all the other nodes in our network. And this is going to be a new endpoint that we are going to build out in an upcoming video. And that's it. It's pretty straightforward. That's what our new mining process will look like. We are going to choose one node to mine a new block, and we are going to hit the mine endpoints on that node to create a new block by using our proof of work method. When a new block is created, we are then going to broadcast that new block out to all the other nodes in our network. All the other nodes will receive that new block at their receive new block endpoint. This way, after the broadcast is complete, the entire network will be synchronized, and they will all be hosting the same blockchain. One more thing that I want to mention is that when we create a new block, all of the pending transactions go into that block, and our pending transactions array gets cleared out. So when we broadcast that new block, whenever a node receives a new block, they are going to add it to the chain after validating that that block is legitimate, and then they are also going to clear out their pending transactions array, because all of the pending transactions are now within the new block they just received. Cool. So in the next couple of videos, we are going to build out this process step by step by refactoring our mine endpoint and creating a receive new block endpoint. And as we build out each of these steps, how everything is working together should become more clear. Cool. Let's start building it out in the next video. I'll see you there.